Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be drawing a goldfish. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is, of course, you need something to draw with. Let's go ahead and draw a curved line right here. And let's draw the letter O for the mouth. And we're going to draw another circle filled in on the inside. When you're ready, let's go ahead and draw another curved line going this way. And a curved line right here. As always, if you make a mistake, just keep going. I'm going to jump in and draw the eye. I'm drawing a circle, and I'm going to go back in with a circle filled in on the inside. For the fin, the side fins, we are going to draw a curved line like this, and then super easy, draw a sideways letter V. And I'm going to go in and draw some lines for my fin. Nice. Now we're going to go in and add a longer fin at the top and bottom of our fish. We have a couple more fins, and I'm just using a wavy line, and then I'm going to go kind of back up. Do the same thing here. Go out using a wavy line, and then draw a line here, go out, and come back in. And of course, I need my fin lines. And go up here and do the same thing. And these can be curved as well, the best you can. Let's add the tail fin. Draw a wavy line. I'm making mine a little bit longer. And I'm just going to go out using two wavy lines. And then for the end of the tail fin, we're just going to draw a wavy line and then connect to the other side. Go inside and draw curved lines for the fin, kind of going out. I want to add some bubbles, so let's go ahead and draw some circles. These two are going to be a little bit smaller, and then the next one is going to be a little bit larger. When you're finished, we have one more thing to do. We're going to add our scales. So I like to start by drawing kind of like a letter U, but curved lines. And I'm going to go in between them and add another scale. And if you repeat that whole thing, you will get some scales on your fish. So let's go ahead and do that. They don't have to be perfect. Just keep going. We are just having fun and practicing. There. And I'm all done. I will be back with the colored version. Super easy way to draw a fish. Oh, you know what? I'm going to go in and add some shorter lines on the ends of my fin, just for some added texture. there we go. I will be right back. Okay guys, here's the colored version. I, as always, used Copic markers, but you can use anything you have. And I went in and used different warm colors for my fish. I went in with like a darker color to make my fish look three-dimensional and make it pop. So I always recommend using more than one color. Even if your fish is mostly orange, you still want to add other colors in there that are in the same family. So as you can see, I used yellow, but I used two different colors. One's darker and one's a little lighter. And then I kind of went from light to medium to dark to make my fish look 3D. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.